Welcome to Nature's Nightlife, where we uncover the world's top 3 incredible nocturnal animals. First up, the owl. With night vision so sharp, these silent hunters glide through the darkness, spotting prey in complete silence. Next, the bat. Using echolocation, they Z with sound waves, navigating the night sky with unparalleled precision. And finally, the jaguar, an apex predator. With unmatched strength and stealth, it rules the jungle after dark. Fascinated by these amazing creatures? Hit like and subscribe for more exciting wildlife facts, and to join us on more nocturnal adventures.